Bouncing ball animation in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer. You need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening the Alight Motion on your device. Once you reach the home screen, tap the Create New Project button located at the top of the screen. A project settings menu will appear. Adjust these settings according to your preferences, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, tap the plus button near the bottom of the screen to add a new layer. A menu containing different layer types will appear. Select the circle shape option to create a simple ball shape on the timeline. Once the circle has been added, select the layer to access its editing controls. Next, open the Move and Transform section. Use the scale controls to change the size of the circle until it matches the style you want. After setting the size, open the position controls inside the Move and Transform menu. To animate the ball, turn on the Position keyframe option. This allows you to create movement over time by setting different positions at different points on the timeline. Move the playhead to the very beginning of the layer and create the first keyframe. For this starting keyframe, drag the circle upward so it is positioned near the top of the screen. Next, move the playhead to the end of the layer. Add a second keyframe and drag the circle downward toward the bottom of the screen. To make it look more like a real bouncing ball, open the graph editor. Select a bounce graph preset to automatically create a bouncing motion effect. After applying the bounce graph, adjust the graph settings until the movement looks natural. Preview the animation by pressing the play button and continue making small adjustments if needed. Once you are satisfied with the result, save your project. You have successfully created a bouncing ball animation in Alight Motion.